Hello, everybody. It's been a while since I've done a Bachelor Surprise, and I believe this is the second one I've done in my new place. Um, anyways, tonight's rendition of the Bachelor Surprise is Bean and Cheese Burritos. There's a guy online who, in Barstow, he's saying he's visiting every place and doing their Bean and Cheese Burritos, and he's doing reviews on them. So, why not go with the spirit and make bean and cheese burritos tonight? So I aforehand made my tortilla. What you want to do is you want to put a little olive oil in a skillet, or you could free range it by putting it on the range. These are those glass ranges, so I just put it in a skillet. I made my tortilla. It's sitting there in the on a piece of napkin, right? The olive oil, you can see where the olive oil is. I like mine just like that. Sometimes I like it a little more, they'll have a little more character to them. All right, so I got some out here in Texas. HEB tortillas are good. I normally get Mission tortillas or Guerrero, and Guerrero being first, and then I'll get Mission. But out here, HEB know what's up. And then I got HEB romaine hearts, and I got some avocado. Let me take my beans off because they're acting up. Got some avocados, and I got some Tillamook sharp cheddar because I want the cheddar to pop. I have some tomatoes and onion. Fairly simple. Make your tortilla, put beans on it, put some cheese on it, and I'm going to put lettuce, tomato, and avocado on this. Oh, and I have some sour cream because my brother-in-law Matthew Santos loves his bean and cheese burrito just like this: lettuce, tomatoes, onions, sour cream. I don't know if he likes onions, but I know he likes lettuce, tomatoes, and sour cream. So, ode to Matthew Santos. Here is the Bachelor Surprise for tonight. All right. So in my beans, I put some. I got this time. Normally I make my beans in my pressure cooker, but I cheated today and got the Goya Rancheros refried beans. These are the vegan style. The reason I like the vegan style is because the vegan style tastes like someone got some cardboard, emulsified it, and there you have, aka nothing. So I put some Montreal steak seasoning, a little bit of fajita seasoning by Fiesta out here in Texas. This is huge. And some Worcestershire sauce. Some Where's Your Sister sauce. So that way you can season the beans to your liking, right? And I put a little bit of beef broth in here as well. Now the beans taste spectacular. Yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and start chopping up some lettuce, tomatoes, and everything else that I need to chop up, and then build my burrito. All right. Okay, so I've got my lettuce chopped up. You want to chop up everything pretty fine because in a burrito, you don't want anything bulging out because it'll create a breach in the tortilla, and you have a potential for your stuff to go everywhere. Got the onions chopped up pretty fine. Got the tomatoes chopped up and the aguacate. Got the light sour cream because I'm older now and my cheddar cheese. Now to go ahead and form the burrito. So here we go. Pre-fold. I have everything on the tortilla. I have the beans, the cheese, the lettuce, the tomatoes, the onions, and the aguacate. And, one last thing is this sour cream. Okay, so there we got the sour cream on top of it. Again, the beans, the cheese, the onions, the lettuce, the tomato, the avocado, and the sour cream. Notice, when you have sour cream, don't just grab a spoon that you use for something else and stick in the sour cream, because you have to have a virgin utensil in the sour cream. Virgin meaning it needs to be as clean as possible because you don't want to contaminate your sour cream. And if that utensil touches anything, rinse it off and then continue to use it. But you don't want to contaminate your sour cream so that it's safekeeping for future use. I always get the little one because I can't eat that much sour cream. I was at the store one time in Katy, and then they only had the big ones, and the lady, and I was there, and this woman was there, and she goes, I said, they only got the big one. She goes, you don't eat that much sour cream? And she just looked at me, and she had that awkward look on her face like, oh, he doesn't eat that much sour cream. It was pretty funny. I guess you had to be there. However, so that's how we have. I'm going to fold it in this way. Then I'm going to fold the sides, push everything back, and then roll it. I can't hold my phone and do that. I ain't that high tech yet. But that's the concept. Fold it this way. Fold the sides, so both sides. Roll everything inside, and then have the burrito tuck into that flap. All right? And there we have it. The homemade bean and cheese burrito. Okay? I'll go ahead and take a bite for y'all. Yeah. I can't say much, but I know I love you. Look at that. Well, that's a bean and cheese burrito for Bachelor Surprise 2023. I hope you all enjoyed this. Real simple. No meat. You can put meat on it if you want. Make it a regular burrito. But I give this a 10 out of 10. All right. Don't forget, I love you all. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Ta-ta.